In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy trade on Quantower. So the first thing you want to do, open up your Quantower and you want to sign in or connect your account. So here up top, you want to click on one of these, click on it, and then select your connection. So for example, it can be whatever, like Pepperstone or maybe Project X, whatever you want to have, and then just connect it using your credentials over here. So for example, you'll be able to provide in your username, your password, as well as your server. Usually it's going to ask for a server as well. And then once you're ready with that, press connect, and then you're good to go. You're successfully connected. Then what you're going to have to do to copy trade, you want to go ahead, click in the top left over here to open up trading. As you can see, the first thing it says over here is copy trading. Now, if you click on this star button, it's going to get added up here. So the CTR, this is it, as you can see, and you can basically click on that. And as you can see, it's going to open up your copy trader over here on your screen. So what you're going to have to do is you're first going to have to click on this plus button, and over here you'll have to just confirm a few things over here, press OK, and then over here you'll be able to create your copy bot. So give it a name, a description, a parent connection, and then a parent account as well. You can also access advanced settings if you want that too, and then here you can set your child connections as well by clicking this plus button and then setting whatever multipliers and copy modes you want. And then when you're done, click on the save button, and then you've successfully set up your copy trading on Quantower over here. And you can basically put that wherever you want. You can close it, you can reopen it back here. Of course, as I said, you can make it appear up here in templates as well. So that's pretty much it. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.